Good afternoon, everyone. So, preservation of computer data. Under Section 13 of RA 10175, service providers must keep the integrity of traffic data and subscriber information related to their communication service for at least 6 months from the data of the transaction. They must also preserve content data for 6 months, but this period starts from the date they receive an order from law enforcement requiring them to keep it. Law enforcement may require one-time extension of another 6 months. Also, if the preserved computer data is later used as evidence in a case, the service provider must continue preserving it until the case is finished. So, how it relates sa kuan guys, sa cybercrime. So, when a cybercrime is reported, authorities can order service providers like IPS or social media platforms to keep or preserve the digital data related to the crime, and para dili sad ma-delete or ma-alter ang data, o para sa makip ang mga secret or ang mga confidential nga mga files or something in there. That helps ensure evidence isn't lost while investigating. So, example, a company report a data breach. A data breach is kanang naay nakasulod nga unknown nga tawo sa usa ka kuan sa data. The police asked their The police asked their ISP and email provider to please don't delete any logs or emails related to this incident. So, for example, ibutan natog ang ilang evidence ng CCTV. Moingo din ang law enforcement nga sa 6 months ayog i-delete ang inyong kuana ang inyong CCTV kay magkuha mi ana. Pero niingon dire nga ang law enforcement pwede sad mag-require og one-time extension of another 6 months. So, pwede pa. Mga to.
Hello everyone, my name is Damian De Matiga. I'm here to report about the collection of computer data, Section 13. Leia, upon the issuance of court warrant shall be authorized to collect or record by technical or electronic means, and the service providers are required to collect or record by technical or electronic means in order to cooperate and assist in the collection or recording of computer data that are associated with specified communication transmitted by means of computer system. Ang pasabot diyan sa collection of computer data is mo-collect ka og data through the computer system. The court warrant required under the section shall only be issued or granted upon written application, and the examination under oath or affirmation of the applicant and the witness he may produce in the showing of number 1, there are reasonable grounds to believe that any of the crimes enumerated here above has been committed or is being committed or is about to be committed. Ang pasabutan ni kay dirira ka maka-issue written application through na kay crime na gibuhat narang lugar dirang dapita o dito. Number 2, that there are reasonable grounds to believe that evidence that will be obtained is essential to the conviction of any person for or to the solution or the prevention of such crime. Ang pasabot sa dani kay kaning kuan, reason number 2 is to mangita ka og reason ground nganong kaning crime may tabo mo ni siya og unsay prevention na ni para dili na siya mabalik og commit ang kriminal aning crime. Number 3, that there are other means readily available for such obtaining of evidence. Ang pasabot sa daning ko number 3 kay aron dali ra ka makita sa evidence through the computer system. Kay dili na nang di nang ka mangita og document naaraman sa computer, ma-search ra nimo para dali ra. That's all, thank you.
Sa Section 15, Search and Seizure and Examination of Computer Data, where a search and seizure warrant is properly issued, the law enforcement and authorities shall likewise have the following powers and as duty. So, sa Section 15 daw, 1, pag examinon ang sa saktong pagpaagi ang kuan ko no sa computer sa mga tao. When the time period shall specific warrant to conduct an interception and define an act and na kuno sa saktong pa dapat ituman sa balaod sa kuan balaod sa paggamit sa computer. Number 1 is to secure the computer system o computer data storage medium. So, dapat daw i-secure na itong paggamit sa computer system. So, ikaduha, to make and retain and copy and those computer data secure. So, ikaduha daw, make the daw sa dapat kuno kanang saktong kanang copy sa computer. Dapat i-secure na to. So ikatulo, to maintain the integrity and relevant stored computer data. Dapat atong i-maintain. So ikaupat, to conduct forensic analysis examination of the computer data storage medium, and ikalima, to render the increasable and remove those computer data and access computer and communication network. So na nakabutang render increasable block access to data to people cannot open, use, view, and continue distributing it. So ang pasabot aning render inaccessible kay kuan daw, dapat atong i-check before nimo i-kuan kanang ipang-remove nimo ba, i-remove nimo mga dapat i-secure nimo usa ka mo kuan i-log out tanan aron dili ma-open bito sa laing-laing tao, aron walay maka-hack sa imong account. So ikaduha kay remove, take the data out of the computer network such as compiling, sizing, and deleting and taking it down from the live system depending on the warrant allows. So dapat ug ganahan kag dili ma-open sa laing-laing tao imong computer, dapat ipang-remove nimo ang importante nimong So mao ra na.
Section 15. Pursuant, the law enforcement authorities may order any person who has knowledge about the functioning of the computer system and the measures to protect and preserve the computer data therein to provide, as is reasonable, the necessary information to enable the undertaking of the search and seizure and examinations. So this means that after a valid search and seizure warrant has been issued, law enforcement may require a person who understands the computer system and its protection measures to give a reasonable technical help, so the search and seizure and examination can be carried out properly. So this means nga after a valid search and seizure kay ang law enforcement pwede sila mag-require or acquire og person nga who has knowledge sa computer sa pag-open o sa pag-bypass sa something security measures sa computer. Kay mag-unsa man ang valid search and seizure if ang law enforcement kay di kay ba mo open sa computer. So that's why nga mag-require sila person nga makatabang nila to give reasonable technical help. So mao na sumpay. Then law enforcement authorities may request an extension of the time to complete the examination of the computer data storage medium and to make a return thereon, but in no case for a period longer than 30 days from date of approval by the court. So the officer must report to the court on how the warrant was carried out. And under Rule 126 must deliver the property seized to the issuing judge together with a true inventory verified under oath. The judge then checks whether the return has been made. So, after sa valid search and seizure, ang officer kay mo report siya sa court if giunsa nila pag carried out ang warrant, if wala ba na sila naka-violate sa constitutional rights of that anang tag-iya na nga property nga ilang gi seize and seizure. So that's it.